Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, kids. This is Sir. Thank you very much for coming on the channel. Today, what we are addressing is we are addressing grade 12 CBSE integration of partial fraction. And what is this? This is a concept class which is for exercise 7.5. I will try to do this particular part in less than 10 minutes. I'm trying my best. Okay. What are we learning out here? Integration of partial fraction. Underline the word. Look at this. Rational fraction function is defined as the ratio of two polynomial. I know what is a polynomial, px and qx. And if the degree of px is less than the degree of qx, it is called as a proper fraction. Am I right? It's the same thing like what you are studying in your proper fraction, 1 upon 2 and 3 upon 2. 1 upon 2 is a proper fraction, 3 upon 2 is an improper fraction. But when you're talking of a polynomial, you're looking at the degree of the polynomial. I'll not take much time on that. Now here, what are my forms? I've got one form px plus q upon x minus a upon x minus b. If you look at my denominator is a quadratic equation. My numerator is a linear. So that means it's an improper. It's a proper fraction. Okay. The next one, px plus q upon x minus a the whole square. Again, the same thing, quadratic, linear. Next, third one, quadratic and cubic. Fourth one, quadratic and cubic. Fifth one, quadratic and cubic. Now here the condition on the x square plus bx plus c is that it is not factorizable. Now how can I convert this for integrating all this kind of equation? I can write px plus q upon x minus a, x minus b as a upon x minus a, x plus b. Second, look at the x minus a the whole square. I can write this as in this particular form. Now watch on this very carefully. 1 minute. Yeah, here. This represents this. This is over here. Okay, let's go to the next one. What is the next one telling me? Is this particular thing is here. Next one, what do I get? Okay, so and the last, and here the condition which I told you that it will be like this. So let's go at further. Yeah, from here to here and from here to here. This is the 5 formulas that you need to remember if you want to solve partial fraction. We will just go further on some of the examples. We'll just take some examples and see. Now, I have pasted this particular formula for you on your right hand side. Whenever you are taking on that 7.5 exercise, kids, all what you just need to keep that formula sheet right in front of you, no problem. Because the more you see the formula, the more you're going to remember it and more you're going to learn it. Let's take the first question. Dx x plus 1 x minus 2. Where is it arrowing for me? It's arrowing me over here. Can I see it? How it can be split? It can be split as 1 upon x plus 1, x plus 2 is equal to a upon x plus 1 and x plus 2. Let's go to the next question. Clear this up. Okay, here. Erase. Next question. X square plus 1 upon x square minus 5x plus 6. Now notice one thing, that this particular part, both of them are quadratic. This is quadratic and this is also quadratic. That means what do I need to do? I need to make them as a what? A proper fraction. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to divide. I'm not going to look that part. And what will I get? I'm going to get this as x square plus 1 upon x square minus 5x plus 6 divide, you will get this. Now, when I notice this part for me is a linear and this is a quadratic. Where do I address this particular formula now? Where does this addresses to? It addresses to my, which one? Dun, dun, dun. Here. It goes over here. Okay? This is where I get to understand the concept. Because when you're going to write your exam, you're going to get 50, 60, 70, 80 questions on your question paper. You need to focus on where is this question coming from. That's what you need to really focus on. Let's go to the next one. Okay? Erase this off. Next one. 3x minus 2, x plus 1 square, x plus 3, x plus 1 square. Let me just see, sir. X plus 1, no, 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 yes, fourth one, sir. X, now you will say, sir, ये तो minus है ना? अरे यार चलता है यार, ये x plus 1 और x minus 1 कुछ भी चलता है. It's the same thing. Now, how can I write this? I can write this in this particular form. समझ में आ रहा है कुछ? समझ में आ रहा है तो जरा लाइक करो, सब्सक्राइब करो और शेयर करो. काम आता है. Lot of kids will understand it. Okay, I'm not solving that ABC है. ABC अगले कोई वीडियो में करूंगा. मैं तुमको सिर्फ पहले 2 स्टेप कैसे क्रैक करना वो दिखा रहा हूँ. उसके बाद का दूसरा क्वेश्चन देखो. x स्क्वायर प्लस 1 x स्क्वायर प्लस y. सर जी ये कहाँ पे आ गया? दिस इज x स्क्वायर का तो किधर भी नहीं है. हियर मैंने सब्स्टिट्यूशन पढ़ा है. इंटीग्रेशन पढ़ने के टाइम सब्स्टिट्यूशन पढ़े थे ना. तो उसमें क्या आता था? दैट पर्टिकुलर पार्ट आई वुड पुट x square is equal to y. And what do I get when I put x square is equal to y? And where is this coming from? Look at this. It's coming from the first one. Able to crack in? Okay, next one. Let's see. Erase this off. Get this erase off. Yep, done. Next one. Oh, cos, sine, cos. Trigonometry also came into the picture. Again, the same thing. What do I do across? I have got both of them. Now, this is sine, this is cos square. Can I put y is equal to sine theta? When I could put y is equal to sine theta and solve it, what do I get? Y minus the square. Y minus the square कहाँ आया? यहाँ पे आया. Hope I'm able to complete this for you. I am able to understand it. Do share your remark of how do you find this PPT learning class for you. And I'll be more than happy continuing the same thing. Have a lovely day, kids. Take care.